Did you know you can generate content in bulk using Narrato's custom AI templates? Let us show you how. To begin with, create a custom AI template for the type of content you want to generate. We have a detailed video on how to create custom AI templates on Narrato. The link to the video is in the description below. Now, go to the AI Writer on the Content task page and click on My Templates. Open the custom AI template you need, and click on Bulk Generate at the bottom. You will need to upload a CSV file with your inputs to generate content in bulk. You can download the CSV template to understand how the input data must be organized on the sheet. Next, select whether you want to download the output as a CSV, or save it as multiple new content items in a folder on Narrato. Then, click on Bulk Generate. And within seconds, your content will be ready to download or ready to review on Narrato Workspace. It's that easy to create content in bulk using Narrato AI. Try Narrato's bulk content generator today.